That is the difference between compiler and interpreter. That is, compiler translate high level language into machine level language and vice versa, and interpreter also converts high level language to machine level language and vice versa. Okay, so again move to the next topic, that is, what is Python? What is Python? So first one, that is developed by Guido van Rossum. Developed by Guido van Rossum. That is, Python is a language, programming language developed by Guido van Rossum. Okay, this is the person, Guido van Rossum, in 1991. That is in National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. And presently it is owned by Python Software Foundation. So first point, that is open source. The clear definition of Python is, it is a programming language, that is, it's an open source programming language. Open source means we can freely download it from internet. Python program we can freely download it from internet. Then second one, object oriented language. That is, it is an interactive interpreted language, that is high level language. Third one, high level language, that is it is simple English like structure we are using. The next one, that is general purpose language, that is, it means we can use this language for developing any kind of application or softwares. For example, Google search engine, YouTube, games, text editors, etc. Okay. Then we are moving to the features of Python. Features of Python. First feature, that is interpreted interactive directly executed with pre-compiled codes. That means that is, I told you Python use an interpreter, that is to convert high level language to machine level language. Okay. Second one, English like structure and easy to learn. Okay. Third one, that is free open source portable large repository of libraries. Okay, that is free, that open source, portable also, portable means we can move from one machine to another. Then large repository of library means when we install Python, it contains large collection of built-in libraries. Built-in libraries means you have to study later, that is built-in functions. Another chapter is there. For example, last year, in C and C++, for example, for mathematical function, we use math.h header file. That is in C and C++, we use header files. So instead of here, that header files, in Python, we have some built-in libraries. For example, mathematical function, we use one library. For power function, we use another function. Okay. For square root, we use another function. So we have to study later. Okay. The next one, less time to develop Python programs. Less time to develop Python programs, because number of codes are less compared to C and C++. So less time to develop Python programs. And the next one, that is no wastage of time in declaring the type of variables. That is, there is no need to declare variables in Python. That is, in C and C++, we have to specify what type of data. For example, if it is an integer, we have to declare int as a keyword, int a, comma b, like that. It is a floating point number, we have to declare float a, comma b. But in Python, when we are giving data, automatically it retrieves its data type. And next one, it is compatible with other languages like C and C++. Okay. Then next one, it is used for scientific and non-scientific applications. Okay. Then next one, that is advantages of Python. Advantages of Python. First one, that is platform independent, that I told you. It can run across any platform. For example, in Windows, Linux, Mac OS, any operating system, it works. That is, it works with different operating system. That is platform independent. Second one, readability, means simple English like structure. Instructions are in simple English that are easy to understand, easy to read. Okay, even by non-programmers. Okay, then third one, OOPS, that is object oriented programming language. That is, it is an interactive, interpreted and object oriented programming language. Next one, higher productivity, that is Python is a simple language with small codes and extensive libraries. Large collection of libraries. Okay. Then next one, less learning time, that is because of simple and shorter code, lesser time is required to understand and learn Python programming. And the next one, that is GUI program. GUI, graphical user interface. Python support GUI applications that can be created and ported to many system calls, libraries and Windows systems such as Windows, Mac, Unix, etc. Okay, and the next one, that is ample availability of libraries. That is, it provides large standard libraries to solve a task. That is, in Python program, it contains so many standard libraries. Okay, that we have to study later. Then next one, syntax highlighting. That is Italo. Syntax highlighting means Italo. For example, if for input, for output and for errors, Python show that in different colors. Okay, for input, output and error messages are shown in different color codes. Okay, that is at the time of program code, program writing the program code, the program code in different colors. Okay, so these are the advantages of Python.